Some leaders isolate because they don't trust others, while others isolate because they do not trust themselves. The loner believes leadership is their burden alone. Maybe they've been burned before. Maybe they think asking for help is weakness. Either way, they push people away until there is no one left to push. No leader thrives in isolation. Without trusted relationships, blind spots grow, decisions suffer, and leadership becomes lonely and fragile. Real strength isn't in doing it all alone. It's in building the right circle. People who challenge, support, and keep you grounded, because leadership was never meant to be a solo journey. But sometimes leaders don't just work alone, they move too fast, always chasing the next big thing. And that's where the shooting star emerges.